the design and layout, casual purchasing at one's own speed. Customers are more likely to make impulse buys when the store design is aesthetically pleasing to the eyes. New design can be utilized to show product in an appealing and modern way, allowing customers to keep up with the ever-changing retail styles and making purchase. The layout that we use is a grid layout. The grid layout is used by many different stores, including bakeries, cafe, and even Chocacake cafe. If a shop wants to make most of its space, a grid layout is a way to go. Customers easy locating this Chocacake their preferred items if the plan is put in action. While grid layouts may seem convenient at first glance, a modern retail establishment probably won't go with one because it doesn't give customers best potential shopping experience, but as for the cafe, it's suitable. In the business world, signage refers to any visual display that intend to reach specific demographic. It's the best, cheapest way to get word about the small business like Chocacake also. Outdoor billboards, shop windows display, educational and digital billboards are examples of signage. Leather boards are versatile menu board option of the restaurant, cafes, and other businesses that need to be frequent menu updates that don't want to give invest permanent signage that being used also in Chocacake. There are two menu options to think in this Chocacake: rail menus and board menus. Chocacake also have a relaxing place as the sea breeze is nice of the view. Beach also make a beauty and relaxing while having a cup of coffee and having a dessert.
Visual merchandising is a marketing practice that uses floor plans, color lighting, display technology, and other elements to attract customer attention. While store atmosphere is the design of in-store environment by stimulation of the five senses. The store's physical characteristics that project an image to the customers. Chocacake has a greater space productivity. They are using the cube that utilize vertical space in retail environment, which maximize the height of the shelf that cause increase in the amount of merchandise that can be displayed. This helps to optimize space utilization and also allows them to offer a broader product assortment. Next, they also downsizing the gondolas and also racks in their retail stores, which they reduce the width and also depth of display fixtures. This is by freeing up the floor space while maintaining the sufficient product offering. This helps in improving the customer flows in maintaining the same product space. Next, they also minimize the no selling place. No selling place refers to as place that doesn't produce direct sales. So, Chocacake reduce and reuse parts of the shops that doesn't produce direct sales. So the effect of them minimize the non-selling space is they increase the space of productivity. They also have an eye-catching signage, which the signs that they use are clear and visually appealing. So, as they use a bold, legible typography with sizable and easy to read fonts that are readable from a distance. And lastly, they also have attractive product arrangements, which they employ a visual balance that distributes the items equally throughout the exhibit. They also apply grouping and also matching, which they apply by putting together goods that go well together or frequently bought as a set. By doing this, they not only promotes attractive product arrangement, but they also promotes cross-selling and aids in helping clients to visualize how to use the goods. In addition, the surrounding of the store or the store atmosphere is very ambient and very comfortable, and it is a friendly, suitable place for everyone to hang out, no matter what ages are there. So for overall, the atmosphere there is very peaceful and a good place to have a me time.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Izzati binti Musma Izwandi. My metric number is 58040. So now I'm going to present about the old layout before it was improved. So based on this diagram, we go outside Chocacake. There is space where a customer table is there. There are 3 square wooden tables on the right side of the shop and a round wooden table at the front outside the shop. Okay. At the beginning of the construction of the store, there was only one entrance into the store. So we also go inside the store. On the right side here, there are 4 round tables made of iron. So on the left, we have L-shaped kitchen in the corner here. There are 3 parts of the mirror that still remain until today, and in this place there is one only air conditioner here. So we move to the kitchen.
Hi, my name is Nurlawana binti Mazuki. My number is 59166. I would like to explain about the kitchen. The kitchen is divided into 2. The first one is there is a kid storage board, a freezer for ice water, and cookie dough, which is this kitchen also the place they are to store wet items for sandwich, and in the fridge we keep the cakes that are ready for topping, and also in this kitchen have a sink. In the second kitchen is a place to bake cakes, cookies, and all others dessert before being taken to the front kitchen. And at this kitchen, for Chocacake, there is only one toilet, especially for their staff. At the Chocacake, we also have a store, and whether for storing dry goods and other appliances. This store is also used as a prayer room for their staff. Overall, this is all we can show in 3D and clearly for the old layout.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Sheikha Faina. My metric number is S59796. I will give some suggestions for improving the layout of Chocacake Cafe. As you can see, this is an upgraded layout. Based on this upgraded layout, I suggest 2 types of improvement for Chocacake Cafe. My first suggestion is to improve the kitchen cabinets. Previously, the cafe had open kitchen cabinet that display various items stored inside. This arrangement might have impacted the overall visual appeal of the cafe. To address this, it is recommended to install a closed cabinet that can neatly store the necessary item while keeping them out of sight. This will create a cleaner and more organized appearance in the kitchen and enhancing the overall aesthetic of the cafe. By having a closed cabinet, the cluttered look caused by the exposed item will be eliminated. This can contribute to a more pleasant and visually appealing environment for customers and staff. Additionally, closed cabinet can help maintain the cleanliness of stock items, protecting them from dust, spill, or other potential contaminants. My next suggestion is to add more air conditioning unit. In the previous setup, the cafe had only one air conditioning unit. To enhance the comfort of customer, it is recommended to add 2 more air conditioning units strategically placed in the cafe space. This will provide better temperature control and improve the overall atmosphere. Increasing the number of air conditioning units has several benefits. Firstly, it ensures more efficient cooling in the cafe, preventing any areas from becoming overly hot or stuffy. The air conditioning unit will also help distribute the cool air evenly, maintaining a comfortable temperature across the entire cafe space. Overall, upgrading the kitchen cabinet and adding extra air conditioning unit will significantly improve the ambience and comfort of the cafe. This improvement contribute to an overall enhanced dining experience and customer satisfaction for Chocacake Cafe.
Okay, next, my name is Muhammad Nur Fitri Benderaman and my matrix number is S60158. I've been suggesting and recommending the improvements in terms of the use of furniture or chairs and tables. Before this, the use of the chairs for the seats of customers was a bit less suitable because it was not fully covered on the back of the chair on the part of the customer to lean on. Therefore, the sofa is more suitable for customer comfort and makes the cafe look more exclusive and luxurious. In addition, we also added seats capacity to accommodate customers' capacity outside the cafe. The next improvement is the number of toilets. We made the toilet into two, especially one for men and one for women. In fact, before this, customers had to take turns to use the toilet due to the number of toilets that only had one. The next improvement is we added a new or extra room, which is the prayer room. This prayer room, which is divided into two, we suggest especially for the use of customers who want to perform their prayers. Before this, customers who came at Maghrib time, they had to pray in another place or another surround nearby to perform their prayers, where it was a bit rushing for them to do that. That's all for the upgraded layout of the Chocacake Cafe.